I'm going to the garage. Okay.
It's take a long walk.
I wanna reverse it. No, I wanna reverse the car, ne?
Oh, that this car. Oh, he's a really rich man.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a beautiful sky there. It's very blue.
Yeah, it's only like in my yard. Only in my yard.
That's your yard. It's very big. It's very large.
The sky is also for me.
Yeah, it's so beautiful.
Let me take out the McLaren.
Yeah, show us the McLaren.
Okay. Yeah, you must open your eyes. I'm gonna drive past by, ne? You
Okay.
must open your eyes, yeah.
Yeah, I will open my eyes wide. What the hell is? That is not McLaren. It's Lamborghini.
Have you seen it?
Yes, I see that. That's not McLaren. It's a pink Lamborghini.
Have you seen it?
He is so funny. What?
Because I have McLaren Sport Plus. So should I bring another McLaren?
Yeah.
Okay.
That I must look for his name in Google. So I Google him, and he's famous. What? What you doing?
Now I was taking out the McLaren because remember the garage is full.
Oh, the garage is full. Oh my God, guys, he has a lot of cars.
I was taking some other cars out so that I can take out the McLaren. But now,
Oh, okay, then show me.
yay, let's go.
Let's go, guys. In office.
Yeah, the McLaren is ready now.
Okay. Come on. Show me. Call center. Yeah. Oh, guys. What? That's Bugatti. That is Bugatti.
You see?
That is Bugatti.
Oh, this is Bugatti.
Yeah.
Okay, let me take out the McLaren.
Yeah. Where is your McLaren?
Yeah, I'm
People here want to show. I want you to show the McLaren.
Yeah, the McLaren is ready.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's take a long time to take.
Because the garage is pam, so I'm trying to
Yeah.
take some other cars.
I understand.
Yeah, I have one understanding wife.
Oh, it's okay. I'm a very understanding person.
Yes, you see. No, understanding wife.
Oh, really?
Yes, but I'm coming now with the McLaren.
He will not show you. I don't know. We just wait. You guys make good couple. Oh, really?